Hi, I'm John Amato. Here at Autel, we're always looking for ways to streamline the repair process and increase shop efficiency. After all, the faster we can get vehicles in and out of our bay doors, the more capacity we'll have left to increase our overall volume of business. Our engineering team set out to help you accomplish just that with our new Autoscan 2.0. This brand new capability allows us to significantly increase the speed of an Autoscan on our Maxisys tablets. A common complaint that we hear from technicians is that accessing different vehicle systems seems to take a long time. Most often, this is a shortcoming of the vehicle's ability to share information with the scanner and not the other way around. We've found a way to optimize communication between our Maxisys tools and CAN bus-equipped vehicles to make the Autoscan faster. The new Autoscan 2.0 is available on the Maxisys Ultra, Ultra EV, MS919, MS909, MS909 EV, 906 Pro, and 906 Pro TS. Some of the vehicle manufacturers covered by this new capability are Audi, Mercedes, BMW, GM, Chevy, Chrysler, Honda, and many more. Let's demonstrate how to do it. An important thing to remember is that we need to make sure that the scan tool's VCI, or in this case the VCMI, is updated. In order to do this, we need to attach the provided USB cable to the VCI module as well as the scan tool itself. We can go to the appropriate menu and make sure that our VCI is upgraded so we can take advantage of this new feature. In addition to that, you must have an active software subscription on your tablet. If your tool's update subscription is expired, contact your local Autel dealer and ask about a Total Care program card. Remember, if you renew your software subscription, Autel will automatically renew your hardware warranty, so you're covered in the event of any damage to the tool's hardware or software components. If you have any questions about Autoscan 2.0 or want to check the status of your tool's software subscription, give us a call at 855-AUTEL-US. Thanks for watching.